Today is Monday in the city of Enugu. This is the second Monday just after inauguration, and that is the Good Shepherd Anglican Cathedral towards Agric Bank. Agric Bank is down that junction. And welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to be bringing you this video update. If you are new, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can see more of these type of videos. That is Agric Bank Junction right there. And basically this video is just to bring you up to speed to the updates happening in Enugu as per the sit at home Mondays in Enugu, right? And this is the second week after the inauguration of the new government. This is the second Monday after the inauguration and new governor's tenure, right, in Enugu. And if you're aware, last week Monday he insisted that this sit at home should stop in the southeast. I'm talking about Governor Peter Mba. He insisted that this sit at home should end last week Monday. And of course, from the pictures that was shared and the videos, some of the offices and secretariat opened on Monday. However, of course, movement hasn't really commenced like it ought to be. I didn't expect movement to just, commence immediately because, of course, one, people are already used to the sit at home that began at least close to 3 years ago, or if not more, every Monday. Just imagine sitting at home every Monday, so a lot of people are used to that already. That's number one. Then number two, the fear and the scare, as much as there are a good number of, security operatives along the road, and there seemed to be some level of movement, not that much, but it's not as it ought to be, and it's not like the governor wanted it to be. I know over time probably this will improve as work goes to normal. However, as it is right now, this is why I am showing you this video. I'm bringing you this video so you can see the updates happening on a Monday. This is the second Monday after the inauguration, and as usual, I thought to just bring you up to speed with what is happening in our beautiful city of Enugu. This is Presidential Road. We're approaching Car Wash. To my right there is Customs Office, and this is the Car Wash Roundabout in Presidential Road. Again, I am Jeff Anozie, and I am your real estate expert right here in Enugu. I am your favorite realtor, actually. You remember, right? Favorite realtor. And I bring you up to date, up to speed with, recent happenings in Enugu, as well as property for sale in choice environments in Enugu. This is Presidential Road. Presidential Road is more of a student environment, even though, yes, there are still a lot of residential, houses around here. That is Afia 9 to the left. Afia 9 holds as much as it's called Afia 9, but a lot of students live around there. So if you own a house there or a structure and you don't know what to do with it, you can convert it to a hostel, students hostel, and you definitely make money. This is Asata Roundabout. To the left there is Obiago. Obiago is to the left. The famous popular Obiago is to the left, and we are going straight on. We're heading towards Ogui Junction rather, and through Okono. I don't really know why this place is called Okono. I like the name. It sounds foreign, but hey, that's what it is. Okono. And you can see activity here. There's a new filling station to the left there. Okay, that's new. And you can see people are moving around, actually, especially in densely populated places like Presidential Road, like Asata environment, Ogui Road. There's a bit of movement, and that is the public transport in front of us. So yes, some public transport companies are some public transport, that's buses and keke, tricycle, are moving around, but not as dense as it ought to be, not as regular as it ought to be. That's the Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium right there. And I also observed that most banks are not open, right? So as much as the governor has said, open up, start your business, but I know it will not be as sudden. This is Access Bank at Ogui Road, and it's definitely locked to the gate. This is Wema Bank as well. Wema Bank is also locked to the gates. That is the number of other banks on this road, all locked. And of course there is fast movement, but not dense, not so much people are around on the roads. And like you can see, the streets are cleared, and Enugu is beautiful as usual. There are a lot of people moving here and there, but not that much. Yes. And I realized that in recent times the population in Enugu has increased, and it's increasing, so you can see traffic here and there, some pockets of traffic now building within Enugu. That just tells me and reassures and reinforces the fact that this is one of the best cities to live in Nigeria. It is calm, cool, and just all round cool, right? And then a good place to raise your family. It's not that expensive like Lagos and Abuja, yet it's not so cheap anyways. Cost of living, majorly food and transport, they are one of the most affordable things in Enugu. Housing is of course more expensive than most other cities in the southeast, and that is because of demand. Demand and supply and pricing, the relationship within demand and pricing, right? And that's also why the cost of properties in Enugu are a bit more expensive than any other city. But the beautiful thing is that the acquisition value here is very, very sure. Like, you're sure that so long as you bought right, you bought well, you're sure that within a period of time, you will get ROI for that investment. Our properties that are 1 million right now used to be 800,000 naira as of January this year. In fact, as of December last year, January this year, they used to be 800,000. Now they are 1 million per plot of 500 square meters. This is Ebeano Tunnel. You remember Ebeano Tunnel, right? I was saying the ones for 500 square meters, 1 million naira. And now they are moving to 1.5 million naira very soon. Very, very soon. So those that bought at 800,000, definitely their ROI is going off the roof. All right. And those that are 2.5 million are moving to 3 million very soon, and the likes of them. And of course, the cost of transportation increased because of the removal of the fuel subsidy. We used to buy at 220 naira per liter. Currently, we're buying at between 530 and 550. Some people sell for 525. You can see the military trucks. There are a lot of military trucks going around. This is Okpara Avenue, otherwise called Abakaliki. Okay, so we're heading towards Abakaliki Road. That is All Saints Anglican Communion right there to the left. We're driving towards the mall and all of that. So I was saying that the subsidy removal has definitely affected price of almost every other thing, because transportation is like the bedrock of the economy. You need to move things from here to there and from there to there. And of course, when across the value chain prices are increasing, that means every other thing will increase. So this is the Polo Park Mall, and unlike usual, it is empty. So we're heading up straight. We're heading straight towards Ogui Roundabout along Abakaliki Road. This road is called Abakaliki Road because if you keep driving straight down, it gets you to Abakaliki through MNA. So this is some parts of GRA. To the right and to the left. This area is called GRA, even though even though Abakaliki Road cuts across it. There's a new plaza there, right there, Grand Mall, and that is the police station there. So basically that's it. And this will also affect your building. This will affect cost of properties. It will affect cost of building. It will affect, I'm talking about the increase in fuel price due to the removal of the fuel subsidy in Nigeria. It's going to affect every other thing. So I'm encouraging you to make hay and acquire that property you want to buy, call me today. If you have even if you have little as 1 million, or you have as much as 30 million and you want to invest in properties within Enugu, call me on the numbers showing on your screen as I guide you properly, and you can make this move before the price changes. This is Ogui Roundabout. Straight down goes to 82 division, but we're turning right down to Otigba. We'll pass through Bisalla, that's Independence Layout, and back towards Okpara Square. Okay, that's the route we're going to take. I basically wanted to just show you around and show you what development looks like, what the sit at home looks like today, Monday. Today, Monday, the 12th of June. Today is Democracy Day in Nigeria. Happy Democracy Day for those that are watching. That's fire service to the left there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to this channel so that you can see more of this type of videos. I basically show you property videos right here in Enugu. This is Haven Junction. You can see the people that are hitting the bar, Otigba. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a comment. Tell me what you like about this video. Tell me the areas you want to see. I could do another drive-through in other areas, not necessarily on Monday, any other day. We've been building a team of realtors and trying to build a proper brokerage company in Enugu, as well as partnerships to bring you good properties, within Enugu, so that you can have good return on investment and security on your properties. All right, so this is Bisalla Road, Independence Layout. Can you see Enugu is beautiful? Enugu seems to be connected. Almost everywhere seems to be interlinked and connected, like you can see. I'm sure you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up already. This is Roban on the right there, and again, I am Jeff Anozie, and my goal, my joy is to bring you safe and profitable real estate in Enugu, and actually in the southeast in general. Owerri, Oka, Abakaliki will bring you properties within this environment, though based in Enugu. I do hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. That is the government house right there to the left, and Okpara Square, ICC Center to the right, and Okpara Square to the right, and the government house to the left. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to hear from you. Where else would you like to see? What else would you like to see? That's the Lion House Enugu. All right, so let me know in the comment section what else you would like to see within Enugu, and we'll do well to go make videos around there. That's Okpara Square to the right and the government house to the left. Enjoy a great day.